Good evening students. यूनिट 4 सेशन 5 मेल मर्ज। आज हम बात करेंगे व्हाट इज़ अ मेल मर्ज, कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ मेल मर्ज, यूजिंग मेल मर्ज। फुल प्रैक्टिकल बेस चैप्टर है, हम कुछ स्टेप बाय स्टेप सीखेंगे। ओके।
Merge. So mail merge feature is used to combine data source which contains addresses of all the recipients with the main documents. In other words, mail merge feature is used to send a particular document to number of recipients at different addresses. So it means that when you create a mail merge, when you create a document, you can send that document to different people at the same time. Okay, using the mail merge feature. The content will be same, and but the letter or the format which you are sending, it will be reaching to everyone which you are added in your recipient list. So that is we are using mail merge, right? So we will see how it works. Now what is data source? Data source contains of a mailing list. The data is organized in a tabular form along with the field names. The data source is connected with the main document because its field names can be used in the main document. Data source, where is your data is saved, okay, the data you have made, like if you are making a data of a company, so you will make some fields which will be notifying that this field is recognized your company. Like you, when you have a company, you will have an employee, you will have an infrastructure, okay, you have some sort of salaries distribution. So all the different kind of department, you have employees address and their contact number. So all these detail you will save in a data source, right? So let's see what is next. Now here we see that what is main document and merge field. So the main documents contains the text that we wish to send to the recipients. Like if you are wishing somebody, you are a boss and you want to wish the all the employees a new year greetings or some other message, so you can use it. And if your birthday is there and you want to invite your friends, okay, so you can send the birthday invitation to all your friends or relatives, to whosoever you want to invite, so that you can keep in your main document. Now merge field, it is a data type field such as name, contact number, addresses, and so other data types you can keep in your fields as a field. So data types like contact number, names, addresses, okay, and their location, their maybe they are having two addresses, their company. So all the details, what detail you want to keep in your as a field, as a data type, so you can create. And you can, if you don't want to use it, so you can delete it also. So both the facility you have in the when you are using the merging, when you are using the mail merge. So we will see. So children, to create a mail merge, there are 6 steps in the mail merge wizard. So one by one you keep to follow all these steps, and you will be able to create and you will be able to complete the mail merging. So the first step is select the document type. Second is start the document. Third, select recipients. Fourth is write your letter. Fifth is preview your letter, and the last one is complete the merge. So once you open the Microsoft Word, you have to go to the start mail merge option in the mailing view. So when you click on the start mail merge option, so you will see here the letters, emails, messages, envelopes, labels, directory, normal Word document, and step by step mail merge wizard. So you have to first click on the step by step mail merge wizard, right? So first click here. So after clicking on the start mail merge option, here this format comes in front of you. So it is asking you that what kind of document are you working. So you have to choose the letter and then click on to the next starting document. So after selecting the letter, so again a window will come on the right side of the Word document, that it asks you that how do you want to set up your letter. So by default you have to select the use the current document. If you have any other other document, start from a template, start from existing documents, so you can choose that also, but otherwise the suggestion comes that you have to choose the current documents, right? So click on the radio button, current document, and click on the next, select recipients. Children, if you have noticed here that the word recipient came again and again, and we are using a lot when we are using mail merge, so this word came, and this word means the recipient means that the to whom you are sending your letters, means they will receivers. Okay, you are a sender and they are receivers, so they will receive your letters. So the particular word has been given here, recipients list or recipient name. All right, so after completing the previous step, so you are here on this step, select recipient. You got three option also here, that use an existing list, select from Outlook contact, and type a new list. So the ideal choice is here, type a new list. Click on this radio button, type a new list, and then you will see another option is here in the yellow rectangle, create. So after choosing the typing a new list, click on this create option, and you will see a particular box, a dialog box will open there, and you will fill the recipient's data there. So children, this is the dialog box after clicking the create button there on the previous section. So you will see here, this is called a new address list. Here you can type the recipient information in the form of table, and you can add more entries, okay, according to your convenience. So you can see here few options are there: new entry, find, delete entry, customize column, okay, cancel. Okay, so new entry means that you what fields are given there, you are comfortable with that, and you can start your editing your data. You can just entering your data with the given fields names like title, first name, last name, company name, address line 1, address line 2, and so on. Okay, now if you want to customize these fields, these columns, here is the customize column option also available. You can go for it. When you click here, so you will see another dialog box will open there, and on this dialog box you can remove some entries from here, and you can add on some more entries. Okay, like the fields which you can see here, title, first name, last name, company name. If you want to customize these, if you don't want the title field here, so you can remove it from here. If you want some other field name here, so you can add on also that. Okay, so it is very simple, very easy. So just practice it. After completing your data, completing your information here as a recipient list, as a address list, click on the OK button. Now as a demo, children, I have mentioned two entries here in a recipient list. You can see here that title, first name, last name, and address. Okay, I have entered two names, two people's data there. So you can also fill the data which you want to fill it, and you can check it also. And children, if you have noticed one thing here, so I have marked here in the rectangular box a particular field, that is address line 1. If you were paying attention in the last slide, so it was there the company name, it was reflecting there a company name. Okay, so I have changed, I have customized that field, and I have placed another address line. Okay, so this is the way of customization. You can customize your column, right, and you can enter your data. Okay, so now click on the OK and move on to the next step. So children, when you click on the OK button, another dialog box will come over the screen, which will ask you to give a file name, and once you give the file name, click on the save button. this screen will come, this dialog box will open here, that is mail merge recipients dialog box. And here you can see that the document, I have given the document name, the document only, and it is showing here. Okay, so the name you will give here, it will be reflected here, okay, at the place of document. And you can notice here it is written there document.mdb. okay, I have mentioned also separately that extension. So MS Access extension is .mdb. you have to remember this, children. It is very important that you used to learning of these things. Okay, you know the extension of Microsoft Word, you know the extension of PowerPoint, you know the extension of Excel. Do you know or not? Yes, you know. If you not, so please revise it. So this is the extension of .mdb, is the extension of MS Access. Here let me tell you again, it will help you that I'm just as a another way I'm telling you that the extension of all these three applications, like Word is for .doc or docx, PowerPoint.ppt or pptx, Excel.xls or .lsxlsx, right? So here MS Access extension is .mdb, right? So this is the all done here. So just click on the OK button. So after clicking the OK button, you can see here on the document in the mailing tab. Okay, come on, just click here to the insert merge field. So what the field you have inserted, what the data you have given there, you can keep it in your document, like title, first name or last name, or any other data you want to keep it in the document. You can just by clicking one by one, and it will overcome here, right? I will show you in the next slide. So as I told you that this is the information I have inserted in the document: title, first name and last name and address line. Okay, so in the text format, the invitation letter which I want to send my friends, like dear, the first name and the last name, and my format, my message is there. Okay, so this is the way you complete your documentation of mail merge. So children, this is the screenshot I took from my computer, so I can show you here the data which I have entered in the recipient list. It is reflecting here very clearly, that you can see that the name of the first recipient is mentioning where I have entered the all the fields, like Mr., first name, last name and the address line, right? It is showing here. And after the dear, you can see the first name and the last name is reflecting there. With the same format, the another recipient list, another recipient name is also reflecting there. Okay, so you can change it, and you can, if you notice there in the mailing tab, that on the top or the right side you can see here the number of recipient which you have added in the address list or recipient list. It is showing there. I have added only 2 names there, so it is showing only 2 entries, right? If you have added more entries, so it will be reflecting as per your data entry. Okay, so this is the way you can see your all work here. So after completing all the work using the mail merge, it's time to finish your work. So once you have done with all the entries, recipients, everything, so it's time to finish your work. So click on the finish and merge. When you click on this option finish and merge here, you see another 3 options popped up here in the form of table, that edit individual document, print document and send email messages. Alright, so it is up to you what is your choice here. Basically we go for the print document, which is there in your book also, that you print your letter, so you can add a printer with your computer, then you can give the printout, or you want to send, if you wish to send this, so your mail id or some to someone's mail id, so you can go for it. And to printing the document, there is a shortcut is here. It's important, children, please note it down. Alt plus shift plus m. This is the shortcut key to print a document, your mail merge document in MS Word. So it is very important shortcut.